How to add categories to Google Calendar. To add categories in Google Calendar, you can create a separate calendars for each category, allowing you to visually organize your events. Now, how to do this? So you have to just open your Google Calendar by using your email ID here. Now create a new calendar. On the left side, locate My Calendars. Now here, this is My Calendars option here. Now click on this plus icon. So here, there's a no plus icon. Right, so how you can do this? So here you can see this is create icon. Now in the event section, just go and click on create new calendar, or just go and click on create event. And there's also an option here in the other calendars. You will see this plus icon, so just go and click on here. Now click on create new calendar. Now it will ask your name here, so I will just write here work. Right, you can add the description, the time zone, everything, and just go and click on create calendar. Right now, once you do this, once you create a calendar, after creating the calendar, you can assign it a specific color. Right, so here you can see this is a work. So if I just go and click on work, I can change it. For example, there's a lot of option, auto accept, right, permissions, and right, and everything here. Right, now let me just go to the back here, and if I this is the color, right, so I can just go and click on three dots and I can assign a separate color. So I will just give tangerine, this is a color name. Okay, and in this way I can just put it. Right, so this is how you can just put a color here. When creating a new event, select this appropriate calendar category for the drop down menu in the event creation window. Right, so if whenever you just go and click on create and go to the events, right, and here I will just write here work, right, and here I can just assign the task. Right, in the task I can just mention it. Right, and in this way I can just go and select more option, and here I can just change the color and everything. Right, and there's a lot more option how you can do this. You can toggle the visibility of this calendars on and off. For example, you want to just check this work, right, so I can just turn this off, and no card will be shown in my section in my calendar. And if you want to see my work, then I can just open my work here. Right, so this is how it works, and this is how you can do so. Thanks for watching.